I actually think that I found literally one of the most untapped methods in 2025 that is literally helping people generate thousands of dollars in literally 2 months. I have actually been looking for the past couple of months, and it has came to my mind that Memecoins is literally something that is going to be here for the next 10 years, and it is literally going to keep printing people insane amounts of money. If you don't know what Memecoins is, I'm going to talk about it in this video, and I'm going to show you guys how to literally capitalize on it and how to start earning money. Because I know kids that are literally like 15 years old and they're making anywhere from 1 to 2K every single day in profit. Before I actually begin, I want to tell you guys that I'm going to be doing a giveaway to one lucky winner. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be doing it next week. If you know anything about Memecoins, you know about platforms like Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun was literally one of the first websites or platforms that allowed people to start trading and creating coins. And it's just literally a big platform. Everyone comes on it. Everyone likes to use it. But I am here to tell you that Pump.Fun is literally wasting you thousands and limiting you to thousands and thousands of dollars. The reason I say that is because Pump.Fun is literally at the bottom of the barrel. People do not make money on here. Even people that want to create coins and want to rug people, they don't make money here. Yes, there are a few outliers like these coins, with very high market caps. But, like every other coin, literally like 99% of the other coins are not going to make money, because the people that come on here to make coins or invest in coins are literally gambling. And these coins are all like crappy coins. Like look at this right here. Like, this is so bad. Like, this is literally 90% of the coins on this platform. And the reason why is because they have low market caps. People are not going to want to buy, and people are not going to invest. If you look at other coins on other dexes, like I was over here, I actually clicked on this coin right here earlier because it was, a pretty decent coin that I know is going to, make people a lot of money, and the person that's behind it is going to make a lot of money. And obviously it is on the Radium Dex. The reason I say it's on the Radium Dex is because, one, it has a market cap, and people are going to want to invest in these coins. Like, look at the market cap on this. It is almost at 3 mil, and eventually it's going to keep going, and then it's going to get rugged, and the people behind it are going to make a lot of money. So my point is, Pump.Fun does not let you publish a coin on the Radium Dex. As you guys could see, look, this is the Radium Dex. Look at the market caps on these coins. Millions. It keeps going. It keeps going. Millions, 100,000s, another million. Like, these coins are all legit coins that have coding. They have developers. They have a whole marketing team. They have a whole, people that are pumping their coins. And it just looks very, very credible. And people are going to want to invest in these coins. Like I said, Pump.Fun is not going to allow you to do that because it is simply not on the Radium Dex. As you guys could see, I could literally publish it, or actually add that right there, and we could see, coins on the Pump.Fun Dex. Very, very bad. Not anything that I would ever put my money into. But I'm here to tell you guys that when it comes to meme coins, there are only two ways to make money. You're either investing in coins that are going to hit the moon and they're going to be the next 100x, or you're on the other side where you are rugging the coins. You are the dev, you are the creator behind these coins. And I have actually found a platform that allows you to do both simultaneously at the same time, whether you decide to invest in a coin, or if you decide to copy a coin, you decide to create your coin, which you are later going to rug. This platform is actually going to be in the description in my comments, or I'm actually going to show you guys right here, MemeFast.fun. This is literally revolutionary and generational because I was not really making that much money before when I was on platforms like Pump.Fun, Photon, and I was just gambling my money away into these coins, trading them. And I did try to actually create my own coin on Pump.Fun, and it was horrible. I literally lost money and no one ever bought it. I did that twice until I was like, there has to be a better platform out there. And this is when I found this platform right here, guys, that I'm talking to you about in this video. It is memefast.fun once again, and I'm just going to show you guys a little bit about it. You could literally create your own coin with everything right there, description, image. It literally takes like one click. You could copy a trending coin. So if we go over here, and this is literally King of the Hill on Pump.Fun. If we go right here, it is going to be pumping, yes, as you could see right there. So if we go back right there, like I said, you could literally copy that coin and it will get pushed out on the Radium DEX right here, and people will buy it literally with no effort, because one, it is King of the Hill, it is pumping, and two, it is on the Radium DEX. So people will think that it is the same one over there and they will buy, and you will literally make insane amount of money. I've shown it live in my previous videos, so just go back to my previous videos and I show you guys step by step on how exactly to do that. So yeah, getting back to MemeFast right here. One of the newest features that they have implemented in their platform is where you could actually trade on this coin. You could buy and sell. So example like this right here, right? We're gonna go ahead and buy some SOL. Or not buy some SOL, but well, actually, let me look into this coin, see if it has any potential, see if it's going to get rugged anytime soon. So yeah, that's probably going to continue a little bit more up, and it's probably going to get rugged. So I probably would not buy there. But the good thing about this is that AI actually helps, filter all the obvious rugs and literally puts the top of the caliber coins that are, have potential, have profits for us people on the other side. And it uses, like I said, AI to filter and, find all these coins. So that's why I've been using this a lot, because before I used to literally just go on Pump.Fun, or I used to go on Photon, load up some SOL in my wallet and just gamble my night away every single night. And it would end no different. I would literally lose money, and it was just horrible because I was just pouring in that money from my 9 to 5 and I never really made any profitable money. This is why I decide to stick to platforms like memefast.fun, because it does use AI. And as we all know, AI is literally smarter than any human being, and it helps us, make a lot of money. So as you guys can see, this coin right here looks pretty good. It has a lot of replies on it. It looks pretty good, honestly. Where'd it go? Let's see. We're probably going to buy some of that one. Let's see how the charts are looking. So I actually came back to this one because I saw that it has very, very high potentials. I'm going to go ahead and buy some SOL, and, we're going to buy in and we're going to see how it goes. I'm going to show you guys my live profits and how easy it is to, start making money right here. So we're going to go ahead and log into my Phantom wallet, and we should be in pretty soon. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just purchased some right here, and we're gonna go ahead and wait and see where this chart takes us to. We're already getting a green candle right there. So I did end up buying like right about right here. I'm already up. So I'm already up about 15 bucks. That was literally with, $17. It is literally that easy. This is gonna keep pumping, and I'm gonna keep money. And I'm gonna show you guys the end results. Probably gonna have a huge green candle right here anytime soon. There we go. That's that green candle. It's gonna keep going up, and we're gonna take profits pretty soon right here. Already able to show you guys how I made $50 in one singular trade that literally took about 2 minutes. If I'm able to repeat that about 10 times a day, that is insane amount of money that takes literally no effort. And right here is where I brought you guys to the big money when it comes into making meme coins. This is where you go on the other side. This is where I am. Really, I don't invest in coins a lot of the times. I say my balance is anywhere from 20 to 80%, 20 being investing in coins, 80 being actually creating coins. And this is where I'm going to show you guys how easy MemeFast makes it to, actually launch a coin in literally one click. All you have to do is fill this information out right here. So I have talked about it in my previous videos where, I teach you guys how exactly to do your market research, how to go between an organic or I guess the other alternative pump where, organic being, you share your meme coin in a ton of groups and you promise everyone it's going to be the next Trump coin, whatever. Or you go the other way where you use ChatGPT to make scripts and you reach out to OF girls, influencers, people that have a lot of followers on social media, and you split profits with them and you guys pump the coin. And I teach you guys step by step on how exactly to do these steps. But looking right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to make your name. You're going to, create the ticker, which is basically the same thing as the name. Description is related to your token name. And then the image is just going to be a visual presentation, visual picture of your coin. So for example, I'm talking about Trump and a new tariff. I'm going to just write, or I'm going to get an image from Google of Trump. And then I literally just create the coin. There's a couple more steps, but it's super self-explanatory. All the prompts are there. And if you still have trouble, go back to the previous videos that I've made and I teach you guys step by step. If you guys are not in Memecoins in 2025, you are literally sleeping on thousands of dollars, and I highly recommend join the space.